Drop a well-crafted prompt into a minimalist developer playground, and an AI model will often return a flawless response. But deploy that exact same prompt to thousands of real users, and the system often collapses under rate limits, malformed data structures, and billing spikes. Traditional software systems require strict, deterministic reliability at all times, while these large language models operate fundamentally as probabilistic engines. To make AI production-ready, engineers cannot rely on the model to govern itself. The model must be wrapped in strict, deterministic software architecture. We will explore this by integrating an AI course finder and tutor into an enterprise learning platform. The most common starting point is a raw, unprotected API connection, where the learning application sends user inputs directly to the model. Relying on a large language model as a standalone engine of logic introduces compounding errors as a system scales. For these features to work, the surrounding application code must act as the primary authority. This diagram shows a raw API connection, where a user asks the learning platform for course recommendations. The model returns conversational, free-form text. When these unstructured paragraphs crash directly into the platform's strict routing and rendering components, the application logic breaks. Production features require prompt workflows. These are dynamic, version-controlled pipelines that programmatically assemble context, safety rules, and formatting constraints before the prompt ever reaches the model. Within these workflows, engineers use structured outputs to force the model to return data matching a strict schema, like JSON, ensuring readable format. However, a model can output perfectly formatted JSON while hallucinating a recommendation, like course ID 9999, which doesn't exist in the catalog. The AI can only suggest. The application code must verify. Before displaying anything to the user, the application code checks the model's output against the actual course database, immediately rejecting the hallucinated ID. When validation fails, the application automatically triggers a retry mechanism, passing the error back to the model with a correction prompt to try again. Without strict schema enforcement and post-validation, an AI feature operates by injecting untrusted, unverified data directly into your application state. A baseline model cannot answer questions about proprietary company policies or private lesson transcripts because it lacks access to that specific knowledge. To ground the model in factual data, we introduce a retrieval-augmented generation pipeline. The ingestion phase takes raw documents and splits them into smaller chunks. These chunks pass through an embedding model, converting into arrays of numbers, stored in a vector database. When a user asks a question, the system uses hybrid search, retrieving the most relevant chunks by matching both semantic intent and exact keywords. This creates a massive, critical security vulnerability. A standard retrieval query might pull up sensitive corporate data or progress reports belonging to an entirely different tenant. A common mistake is passing all retrieved documents into the context window and instructing the model in the prompt not to reveal restricted information. Large language models are inherently probabilistic and easily manipulated. Passing them unauthorized context in the prompt almost certainly guarantees an eventual catastrophic data leak. Permission filtering must happen deterministically at the database level, preventing restricted data from ever reaching the model. Engineers inject metadata like tenant IDs into every chunk during ingestion. The search query is then restricted to pull only vectors matching the authorized tags. The system constructs the final prompt, and the model generates its answer using a perfectly sanitized context window. In multi-tenant SaaS, security is a function of the retrieval layer. Once unauthorized data enters the model's context window, it can no longer be programmatically contained. Beyond answering questions, AI agents are designed to take action, like analyzing learner progress, drafting performance reports, and emailing users. This requires tool calling. Instead of generating plain text, the model is given a defined list of capabilities and can request structured actions. The AI model does not directly execute database queries, modify records, or send emails itself. The application code intercepts the tool request, acting as the absolute authority while the model waits. The application validates parameters, verifies permissions, and checks rate limits. If authorized, it executes the query and returns the results back to the model. Agentic workflows introduce severe risks. If an agent has the power to mutate application state by issuing refunds or sending communications, the blast radius of a single hallucination is massive. High-risk actions demand strict guardrails, requiring human-in-the-loop confirmation where an administrator explicitly approves the execution before the system proceeds. If a tool call fails or a parameter is invalid, the application traps the error and returns it to the model, allowing the agent to reason through an alternative step safely. A production AI agent operates as a bounded orchestrator, executing only the specific tools and workflows permitted by the application's core logic. A standard API call resolves in 100 milliseconds. An LLM response can take several seconds, introducing latency that quickly frustrates users. Engineers mitigate this by moving heavy operations into asynchronous background processing and streaming response tokens directly to the interface, keeping the perceived user experience fast. The unit economics of AI are highly variable. Input tokens, output tokens, embedding generation, and database storage scale rapidly with usage, creating unchecked costs. AI infrastructure requires tracking exact token expenditure per user or organization, directly tying model costs to tenant billing quotas to ensure the feature remains financially viable. Because AI behaves probabilistically, traditional software logs showing basic success or failure are useless. You need deep AI observability. To debug a poor answer, engineers must track the exact prompt version, the user's raw input, the specific document chunks retrieved by the RAG pipeline, and the model's exact text output. Evaluation is a continuous process. A prompt adjustment that fixes one edge case might silently break 3 others, requiring automated testing pipelines for every change. An AI feature is only production-ready when its unit economics are sustainable, and its probabilistic failures can be precisely audited and fixed. This master diagram displays the complete, unified AI application stack. We have taken a raw, vulnerable model connection and wrapped it in layers of deterministic firewalls, parsers, and permission filters. You cannot engineer reliability simply by switching to a more expensive or slightly smarter language model. True reliability comes exclusively from the surrounding architecture, enforcing rules the model cannot break. The future of software development involves designing intelligent applications by treating AI as an untrusted, highly observable, and deeply controlled dependency.